In previous class, I had already taught you about aims and objectives of physical education. Aims and objectives. Aim is one, and objectives can be different. Various objectives of physical education are physical development, mental development, and social development, neuromuscular coordination, emotional development, development of health. All these 5 and 6 points are related to objectives and can be many more. Now, in a previous class, I had already told you about changing trend in physical education, and it is important to change the concept of physical education in a changing world, and it is demanding also. In changing trend in physical education, I had told you about Sports Authority of India and the responsibilities of Sports Authority of India, and it is formed in 1984, and under that Sports Authority of India are the various responsibilities related to health, education and development and taking care of proper health of our people. After that, I was teaching to you various physical education courses available in India, and in that I had told you bachelor's degree, diploma courses, certificate courses and master degrees. In certificate courses, that is certificate course in aerobics. In master degree, I had told you about MA, MPEd, Masters in Physical Education, PhD in Physical Education. Career option in physical education. As we do not know that there are many career options in physical education also. And one of the important career option in physical education is teaching career in physical education. Mainly there are two types of career option in the field of physical education. The first type of career option is related to teaching and coaching physical education. Teaching, as I am teaching to you, is one of the part of teaching career in physical education. Gradually, if you will have master degree and PhD, the level increases. And the other is coaching physical education. There are various coaches in different levels of games, and they help to create better environment in or a better sports person in physical education. Teaching career in physical education. Teaching career offers many rewards to the teacher whether they are engaged in elementary school, middle school, high school, senior secondary school, college or universities. Elementary school are lower classes below class from 1st to 5th, middle 6th to 8th or 9th, high school, senior secondary 12th class, 11, 12, college and universities are there. The teachers in the field of physical education commands deep respect among the students. He makes a good contribution to the society. How we are making a contribution to the society? Because we are teaching about health and hygiene, teaching about various games, and teaching about the knowledge of physical activities, how you can control your emotions, your behavior, and many things. Teaching opportunity is a field of physical education at different level. are described as follows, and these are teaching career in physical educations are elementary school, kids zone 2 to 5 years, middle school 6 to 10, high school 11 to 15, senior secondary 16 to 17, college and universities. In elementary school, it has been recognized that physical education is must in elementary school. Why it is must in elementary school? Because at that time they are learning many basic things, and these basic things are just developing their motor skills. And what are motor skills? Movements are there, walking, running, jumping, coordination of various muscles are there. Basic skills and attitude can be learned well in this period. Basic skills, life skills are there. Physical education play a vital role in around the development of children. Psychologists say that motor as well as sensory experience of children are extremely important in development of intelligence. All these things combined develop an intelligence of a child, and physical education play a vital role in elementary school. In India, there is no career opportunity for physical education teacher in elementary school, but nowadays it is written here no opportunities, but nowadays the time is changing very fast. The government is also helping as well as society. They are also changing, implementing physical education in primary schools, and qualified physical education teachers should be appointed in those schools that help in making good sports person and fittest citizen. Not only for our sports, but it also contribute to our society. Senior secondary school, it is a common participate throughout the country to engage special teacher of physical education in senior secondary school. It is important to have a trained senior secondary school should have a trained physical education teacher. Physical education is an optional subject in government and senior secondary public school. These teachers are required to maintain discipline in a school. They need to prepare various teams of sports, inter-school tournament, the ample opportunities of jobs in such schools. As we are teaching in a school, our responsibility is to maintain discipline and organize inter-school physical activities, inter-house physical activities or sports and games in senior secondary school. Coaching career in physical education. Coaching career is also a traditional in the field of physical education. Many physical educators prefer to opt a coaching as a career. As we make teams, and after a couple of years, physical education teacher is able to assist or provide or try to give a coaching in a field of different games. Many coaches went a dual career as a teacher, as a coach. As we are teaching in a school, after school, we are coaching various teams and various helping them in various sports and games. Opportunities of jobs are available to coach in a middle school also, both in government and in private school. Sports Authority of India is non-school setting. Coaching opportunities are also available with professional teams. And what are professional team? While you are playing for state, while you are playing for your country, there are many also advantage and disadvantage of Korean coaching career also. This job provides instinct reward in the form of respect and excitement or winning. So this is the coaching career, and it is very vast, although it is not related to a small paragraph or that is written in a book, but practically it is very vast. And coaching career in that relate to many things, and many opportunities are there, many name and fame is there. If you want to be a good coach, you should be a good teacher also, good physical education teacher also. Related careers, health related careers is one of the important. During the last 20 years there has been a rapid increase in awareness of health related careers. There has been a rapid increase in awareness of health. In past few years, we all are noticing that the health awareness of health has been increased. People have become more health conscious. They want to be healthy and fit. They want to keep away from various disease, stress, hypertension, heart disease, and obesity also. The very first significant area under health related career in health weight control clubs. Nowadays you had seen the various clubs are open, various gyms you can go and have a good physique, muscular physique. You can weight losing control centers are there. They are very popular in our country now those days, and it has become a big industry also. The main concentration is in a form of franchise also. Physical educator may find ample job opportunities in such health and weight control clubs. There are many things related as our interest is being fit. Our society jobs opportunities also appear to be excellent. Health related career is day by day becoming vast. Administration related career. In physical education, there is administration related career also, and that is in a department of physical education, in school, universities and colleges, in sports department as a sports officer, in various sports level, district sports officer, state sports officer. Industrial recreation is one of the important industrial recreation. Many multinational companies, national companies, they are owning a good players by their tag named they play. Suppose one of the example is a railway, Indian Railway. It employs one of the best sports person of the our country, Indian Airlines. So these all are industrial recreation that helps or help to get a sports opportunity for their employees. Performance related careers. As a player, I am playing many different levels of games. and there is a big opportunity as a player, as an official, for smooth conduct of tournament. We need a best and good officials. In cricket, you had seen in volleyball in our school, and you had seen various big tournaments like kabaddi, Indian game. Career in communication media, as a sports journalism, you can write. You had seen various magazines, various different articles related to sports and games. Book writing book writing is also an important part of career opportunities, are widely available in book writing in the fields of physical education. I was telling to you regarding book writing, है ना, such as sports biomechanics, sports psychology, sports medicine. All these things are written in a physical education book. Sports management of various sports may write. Textbook is one of the textbook. Considering this is as a part of part-time career. The field is also required interest, concentration and writing talent. Sports photography, you had seen the various photos in a magazine, in a newspaper. It is also another career in physical education. Courses in photography and the practical experience of taking sports photography also essential to be good sports photographer. Book publishing on a sports textbooks of physical education. It's a sub-discipline and allied subjects such as health education and recreation. Sports broadcasting, it is one of the widest popular career in a field of physical education, as we are every day watching in our television sets regarding the various and different games like cricket, basketball, swimming and paragliding. These interest in this field known to be knowledgeable about the skills and technique of officiating also. The practical experience can contribute a lot to one's success in getting entry level position in this career. Broadcasting, it is the widest, or I think one of the best opportunity in the field of sports and games. And within that, a marketing is also related. How we do the marketing of sports? Publishing increasing interest, public increasing interest in sports and games, health, fitness and physical activities has stimulated the sale of sports goods also. And what are sports goods? T-shirts, shoes. If you are riding a bicycle helmet. All these comes under a particular word, that is sports marketing, and it has a wider field. In our country, it is in a wider field. Sports industry, it is also directly related. The sports industry, t-shirts are there, logos of various companies are there, bats are there, types of track suits, sport shoes, various sport shoes are beneficial in increasing the performance of sports person. In a conclusion, Many career options have been discussed in this chapter, but still there are many careers in the field of physical education which can be created or need to be created. Career opportunities in the field of physical education are limited only by one imagination. There are various careers in physical education related to a field of physical education such as sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sport nutrition, sports psychology, sports history, motor learning. Motor learning itself is a very big thing in a field of sports. Gradually, if you will go in a higher level of competition, there are many different types of coaches, many different types of technical things that will help you in growing a perfect sports person. Soft skills required for different careers. Later on, I will teach you in a next class. I will teach you what are the soft skills required for different careers. I would like to ask you about the question which I had given to you in a previous class. The first question was, define physical education according to Brownwell. It is a definition that you have to write and explain about physical education, what Brownwell had said, what is physical education. Hope you have understood this question. What are various careers option in physical education? Recently I had told you, or in a previous class I had given you a hint what are the various careers in physical education. Enumerate the objectives of physical education in a brief. In a first question I had given you the aims and objectives, but this question you have to go through the question and think what the question is asking. Sometimes you try to note all the many things from the book and write 2 or 3 pages. That is, half of the answer is useless. You have to read the particular question like I am reading. Enumerate the objectives of physical education in brief, and what I am asking in this, or what question is demanding in this, objectives of physical education, not aims, but objective of physical education. There are 6 or 7 objectives of physical education. You can write, you can copy from the book and learn the answer from copy itself. I always encourage student to learn from the book and write from the book itself only. There are 2 benefits you will get. One, you will get a proper answer. Another, it will be helpful in learning the proper way. If you make your own sentences, you frame out sentences, but there are many mistakes I had seen while checking your books, while checking your answers during exams. So I always suggest that you go through the book, learn from the book, write from the book, and you will get a perfect answer from the book itself only. And try to give the perfect answer what the question is demanding. Do not write so many things, and write according to the need of question only.